If you're a long-time viewer of the channel, you'll know that most of my content has been centered around decking out this canopy fit out with a fridge, drawers, bench space and whatnot. But the problem with a fit out like this is that I do need to be camped somewhere around the vehicle to use it properly. And in reality, that's not always the case. Honeymoon Pool here in WA is a great example of this. It's a beautiful spot which I love staying at, but where you park your car and where you set up camp are two completely different locations. And that means carting your tent, your chair, your table, your food, your cooker, maybe even your fridge down into camp, which can be pretty annoying. Situations like this are becoming more and more common, especially in those more family-friendly campsites. So I've been on the hunt for a product that makes camping like this a little bit easier. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Spotlight Sunday episode where we take a closer look at four-wheel drive or camping related products to see if they're right for your needs. Today we're checking out a brand new product called the Table Trolley from Seton Australia, which as the name suggests is both a trolley like you see here and a camp table. So it can be used to transport your gear down into camp and then be turned into your camp table just like this once you're there. It's the first of its kind that I've seen, and personally I am a big fan of gear that's clever and has multiple uses. So let's pack this away and run through how it works. Alrighty, so I've got the table trolley in the back of the canopy, and as you can see it packs away completely flat and it takes up a similar amount of space to a standard camp table, maybe just a little bit thicker because there's a fair bit of stuff going on underneath. And on the side here there's a nice big handle which I'll grab now to pull it out. The whole thing weighs 10.6 kilos, which is obviously a bit heavier than a standard camp table, but definitely not so heavy that it's inconvenient to carry around. And to convert it into trolley mode, the first thing we have to do is lay it face down on the floor. Underneath there's obviously a fair bit going on, but the only thing we have to worry about right now is these four wheels in the center just here. We're going to unclip these one at a time and slot them into the corners, listening for the click as they lock into place. These wheels are seriously chunky, by the way, because I've designed this trolley for outdoor use, so I'm very interested to see how they go across this bumpy terrain in just a minute. Alrighty, the next step is to flip this unit over onto its wheels, and now I can extend the handle by pressing down this big padlock button on the top. Ta-da! We now have an off-road trolley ready to transport all our camping gear. Now this can support up to 100 kilos, so theoretically it should be able to support all my weight and a bit extra. So let's give that a quick test. Yep, there we go, all my weight easily supported, and these front two wheels, or back two depending on how you're looking at it, can actually be locked so your stuff doesn't go rolling away if you're loading up on a hill. Now this by itself is already pretty useful. You can load this up with your chairs, your fridge or whatever you need, but to make it a bit more useful, Seton has actually sent me what's called their Table Trolley bundle, which comes with a few extras. One of those extras is two of these collapsible storage crates which fold nice and flat when not in use and turn into storage crates by lifting the sides and clipping these two panels into place. These have a 63 litre capacity, so tons of room for your food, your stove, cookware, tools, or whatever you need. And as well as having the big main lid on top, they've also got access panels built in on both sides to make it easier to get into your contents. On the bottom of the crates are four locating pins, one in each corner, which slot into matching holes on the top of that trolley, so your crates don't fall off as you're rolling along. And if the terrain is particularly bumpy, you can actually flick up these little latches on the side to lock those crates in place. So there we have it, that's our trolley built with our two crates firmly locked in place. So what I'm going to do now is grab a bunch of stuff from the car and fill these crates up to get a bit of weight inside, and then we'll give this trolley a test pull across this bumpy terrain to see how it goes. Okay, so got those tubs both loaded up with a bunch of stuff we could find in the car, a mixture of camping supplies and just general tools. Now my brakes are off and I'm going to give this wheel across this terrain we're on right now, which is pretty standard I'd say for a regular campground. It's kind of like that crushed gravel, some leaves, some twigs, some uneven terrain. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully those nice big wheels take care of it. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's easy. I'm pulling that with two fingers, not having to struggle to get it to cross any bumps. We'll try and hit a few honky nuts. No issues at all. And of course those tubs are staying in place because they are latched onto that trolley. Oh, that's a piece of cake. There's some potholes here from our tripod earlier. We'll go straight through those. I mean, you have to pull a bit harder as you'd expect, but it's getting through them, no dramas at all. So yeah, pretty happy. So now we've arrived down at camp, we no longer need this trolley, so let's convert it into a table. First, we just need to lift these crates off, slide the handle back into the side, and flip the trolley over. Now, it's just a matter of removing the wheels by pressing in the unlocking buttons on the side and clipping them back in place underneath. Our table legs are just here, and to extend them, all we have to do is rotate this handle in the center, lift them up, and they'll lock into place just like that. Now, we do get a bit of height adjustment with these legs as well, which is great for uneven surfaces. However, right now we're pretty flat, so I'm just gonna raise these all to their maximum height and flip the table over. And just like that, our trolley is now a camp table, and a pretty solid one at that, because it's essentially a raised trolley. Size-wise, it's decent, not the biggest table in the world, but not the smallest either. As it stands right now, it's somewhere in the middle. However, we do have the option, and this is pretty cool. We can actually extend our handle out halfway till it clicks into that position just there, and then take one of the lids from our crates from earlier, and that actually slots on the edge just like that, giving us a bunch of extra bench space. Honestly, I reckon some serious thought has gone into the design of this table. In the center, there's a spot for your umbrella. There's a threaded hole in the corner to add a raised shelf and a lantern hanger. And you'll notice around the outside, there's little slots which can be used to clip in these extra cup holders, and all of those bits are included in that bundle kit. So that's how the table trolley works, and honestly, I reckon this ticks a lot of boxes. I like how durable and solid the whole construction feels. I like how when you're using it like a table just like this, those trolley wheels clip underneath so you don't have to store them separately, and vice versa for those table legs. Similarly, I like how that handle folds into the table body when it's not in use. I like how simple it is to build and reconfigure, and I like that when you're all finished with it, it folds nice and flat for easy storage. If I had to try and pick flaws in it, which we do like doing during these Spotlight Sunday episodes, I would say that I'd like it to be a little bit taller. So right now it's at its maximum height, which is definitely usable, but if you're trying to sit at it and get your legs underneath, an extra 5 or 10 centimeters would be perfect. And now this is definitely more an improvement or an upgrade rather than a dislike, but if those crates were strong enough to actually sit on, then this would be a full table and chair setup in one, adding to that overall versatility. So maybe an idea for a future version. Well, as that rain kicks in behind me, that brings us to the end of today's Spotlight Sunday episode. All in all, I honestly reckon this table trolley is a great bit of gear that's honestly had a lot of thought put into it to make sure it works in the real world. And nowadays, with more and more companies just releasing rebranded versions of the same gear, I really respect companies that do things a little bit differently. So thank you so much for watching. Leave any thoughts or questions in the comment section down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Both a trolley like you see here and a camp table.